I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the neutral safety switch on an H3 Hummer with a 4L60E transmission. So, pop that out, pull that connector off. Alright, I popped those bolts out of there, removed this nut, making sure we were still in neutral. And now I can pull the old switch off and replace it. Here's the new switch compared to the old switch. I'm going to go ahead and use a wire brush and clean off that shaft the neutral safety switch seats on. This little metal ring secures it in the neutral position, so I'm able to just leave that there, reinstall these bolts. And now I know the transmission is in neutral and the switch is also in neutral. I can pop this ring off of here, and then I'll reinstall the linkage and the nut. And reinstalling the linkage. Popping that connector back on there. Secured it with that little pin. Let's test it out. New switch installed, batteries plugged in. I'm going to put it in park and see if it'll start. Let's take it for a spin.